Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an eSIM on your Apple Watch. First, make sure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the most current software versions. Next, verify that your mobile carrier offers cellular service for Apple Watch, as not all providers support this feature. Finally, keep your iPhone close by and ensure it has a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or cellular data, to facilitate a smooth setup process. To begin the cellular setup, open the Apple Watch application on your iPhone. Once inside the app, tap on the My Watch tab located at the bottom of your screen. From there, scroll down and select the cellular option. You will then see a prompt to set up cellular or add a new plan. Tap this to proceed with activating your eSIM. After tapping to set up cellular, your iPhone will guide you through your carrier's specific activation steps. This often involves logging into your existing mobile account with your username and password for verification purposes. Carefully review the available cellular plans for your Apple Watch and select the one that best suits your needs. Finally, accept the terms and conditions to continue the activation process. Once you have completed the carrier steps, allow a few minutes for the activation process to finalize. You can monitor the status within the cellular section of the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. It should indicate that your plan is active. To confirm successful activation, try making a phone call or sending a text message directly from your Apple Watch while your iPhone is out of range or turned off. This ensures your eSIM is fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.